If your dream of owning a luxury home in Mountain Village, Colorado with ski access started to fade when you realized it just doesn't happen for less than $7 million anymore, this one's for you. Let's step inside. Excellent sense of arrival here. You can see you have incredible views, forever views from this position in Mountain Village. I'm going to take us through the front door and we can walk around. 3,400 square feet, 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, 2 laundry rooms, 2 fireplaces. But I want to let the camera do the talking. So here we are along the entry level. This is where your guests will have a good place to be received. Fireplace, media room, bunk room, spacious walk-in closet. Let's go over to the bathroom. Obviously, this is high-end new construction, and it shows through all the details. Walk-in shower here. We're going to find a lot of big windows and a lot of big views from throughout this entire home, this room being no exception. One of 2 laundry rooms. I'm going to take us upstairs. Okay, so now we're on the main level. An open floor plan that's perfect for entertaining. This is a great living, cooking, dining area. Again, with the big windows. I personally love the timber rustic accents with this mountain modern aesthetic. Let's spin around this way. We do have on this floor the bathroom that serves the kitchen, living, dining. We have this bedroom with an entrance to the same bathroom. I'll take us outside a little later, but as you can see, we have a really large terrace here with the jacuzzi. You can ski to this area, and this can be your receiving area. Let's continue the tour. One more quick lap. Here we are, just so you see it full circle. Now let's go upstairs. Upstairs is where we'll find the primary bedroom. 2 bedrooms up here. Again, this is where we could ski into the terrace, so our ski-in access is really good. Sundance's ski run is through those trees. You can see it's about 100 yards, maybe closer away from here. Okay. Primary bathroom again. Fantastic finish level. Truly a mountain modern style here. Second primary. There are 5 of these chalets. Again, we ski in through this general area. From the kitchen, living, dining, let's go outside. We're going to take about 20 paces to this large patio area. Now, if you imagine this is where you did ski into, I would store my skis somewhere around here on a ski rack and ski right into this general zone. We are about 100 yards away from Sundance Ski Run. Obviously, ski season is right behind us now, so pardon the low snow. Now let's go down into the garage using the elevator. Large garage here. Ample gear storage, including these 3 closets, which also function as a mechanical room for the home. Obviously, a modern home like this does have in-floor heat and all of the modern bells and whistles. Quick recap there. 4 bed, 4 bath. We had 2 laundry areas. We have humidification throughout the home. We have 5 patios. We have the hot tub terrace out back that is ski into, and we have a large garage. 3,400 square feet. I think of this as one of the best opportunities for ski trail adjacent living, and it checks all the boxes for a lot of buyers. Cheers.